How to log in into Xero accounting. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Xero accounting software. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser. On your web browser, search for Xero accounting login. Then you will see Xero account that is xero.com, that is xero.com. Head over there. And right here you will see this is the website. You can directly come here as well, and after you're here, simply tap on login. After you tap on login, type in your email address, then your password, and then tap on login, and you'll get logged in into your account. And that's how simple it is, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.